Hi, my name is Lori with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make an entire Thanksgiving meal. For our sausage, mushroom, and apricot stuffing, we're going to go ahead and cook our sausage while our bread is toasting. So I'm just going to place my sausage, and I've got about 2 to 3 pounds into our pan, and I'm going to let it cook on low heat. And I've got a little bit of oil in the pan, but not too much, because there's going to be quite a bit of oil that comes from our sausage. Now that I've got my sausage in the pan, I'm just going to break it up with my spoon. That way it cooks evenly. And you want to do this periodically as the sausage is cooking, and that'll help cook it into small little bits. Our sausage is done, and I can tell that it's done because I'm not seeing any more pink pieces of sausage in our mix here. Even some of our sausage has got a nice brown coating on it, and that's great. That tastes really good too.